but we're going to be playing Will You Press the Button? Okay, so you keep your youth and virtue until the day you die, but you have no control over your body. EDG, don't feel hungry or no bladder is full. I actually like that, so I will. Oh God, I didn't even understand it. Okay. You can shapeshift, but only into people you kissed. No, I never kissed anyone. What? I've got to put a comment. There. I do not like that one. You will become the world's greatest scientist and could create a cure for cancer, but you will have to battle long life, cynical, disgrace, and courage to do it. No, I would not. Why would I want to be the world's greatest scientist? I don't know anything. I know. Okay. You get $1 million every month, but you became a boy or a girl. Oh well. I don't care if I'm a boy or girl. Yeah, I like that one. You will be charming and charmistic person in the room. You would smell bad. Oh. The smartest person who wait. Just do that. Gain the ability to fly, but fart when doing. Well, you press the button. You have a time machine, but you can only use it once. I will not. Home. Free Steam games, but you become the best out of any online game. You will lag electrically as high as 100 ping. No, I love games, so no. You can have. I've already done this one. Anyone you hate instantly dies. That can incures invade you. Otherwise, look, but happens to be very angry with it at that moment. No. I'm just putting. I don't hate anyone. That's just Sarah Angela. Really hate her because keep commenting on our video. Wait, I named it wrong. It's Sarah Angle. Is that it? Angle, yes. Sarah Angle. Really hate it. Keeps commenting on my videos. I'm sick of it. Friend Zach keeps commenting on my videos, on his videos. You put this to Sarah Angle. Leave Effect Kid alone. He's my friend. For thousands of. You'll be able to play any musical instrument in existence, but every time you play in public, you have to play in. You can fly like a superhero, but you can only listen to the least favourite genre of music for the rest of your life. So we call you when it's half past. Oh, sorry about that. You have unlimited money, but you have to it's secret and live low key. To rescue your life, or ninjas will murder you. I would not want to get murdered by ninjas. Who would want to get murdered by ninjas? They're professionals. The karate. Watch series before you aired. The sound is out of sight. Everyone needs sound. Look at this comment. What type of monster are you? Sound! I need sound! This face made at the end. Bye, Satan. So, hope you like this video and subscribe for part 2. And you can turn this into a series.